Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Slack communication platform. Review my team collaboration experience. Slack is a team communication platform designed to streamline workplace communication and collaboration. It's aimed at businesses of all sizes, from small startups to large corporations, offering a central hub for messaging, file sharing, and project management. Key features include channels for organized conversations, direct messaging, and integrations with various other apps. Their website provides details on the different plans available, from free to enterprise-level subscriptions. Slack emphasizes ease of use, promising a simple and intuitive interface that requires minimal training. They offer various pricing tiers with no hidden fees or contracts, allowing businesses to scale their usage as needed. Compared to email, Slack promotes real-time communication and a more organized workflow. It leverages cloud technology to ensure accessibility from anywhere with an internet connection. Availability is global, and you can easily sign up for a free trial on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Slack. Setting up my workspace was a breeze. The onboarding process was straightforward, and I had no trouble inviting team members and organizing our channels by project. Navigating the interface is intuitive. The left-hand sidebar provides clear access to all my channels and direct messages. I found the search function particularly helpful for quickly finding past conversations and files. Performance has been consistently good. Messages are delivered instantly, and file sharing is quick and reliable, even with larger files. I had a quick question about integrating a third-party app, and their support responded within a few hours via email with a helpful solution. I was really impressed by how easily Slack integrates with other tools we already use, like Google Drive and Trello. The standout feature for me was definitely the threaded conversations, which kept our project discussions organized and prevented important information from getting lost in the noise. One minor drawback was the occasional notification overload, but I easily adjusted the notification settings to manage that. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Slack. It significantly improved our team communication and project management, making our workflow much more efficient. That's my overview of Slack communication platform. Review my team collaboration experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.